skills. Okay. So the key activities, normally the companies, as I said earlier, you have to identify what are your key focus area. So it can be your production. Maybe you are very good at production, right? Maybe you are good at platform maintenance. You may want to do only platform maintenance. You may want to do only research and development. There are a lot of pharma companies who does only research and development. They just develop the product, they just develop the good medicines, but they don't manufacture by themselves. They license out. For example, like Glaxo, 70% of whatever they research, they give it out for others to manufacture, not by themselves. They use only 30% of their research in their own area. So they don't manufacture everything, but they are good in research and development, so they do it and license it out. So you can also think of licensing out, correct? So as you were saying also that what if somebody steal our idea and somebody else can do it? Sure. What if you start licensing it out openly? Because you know is somebody gonna copy it anyways, right? So why not do it officially? Let them copy it, let them do it. You can ask them, okay, give us the revenue share, whatever you are using, no problem. Correct? Because the technology is, you like it or you don't like it. If somebody asks you to do it for one time, next time they can do it by themselves because they already see it, how you are doing it, right? So why not let them do it with a return? So at least you can return the franchise income. Some are very good at marketing. You may need to do a lot of marketing, especially like the apparel brands, the brand companies. It's like Nike or Adidas. Do they think they manufacture the shoes by themselves? No, they don't. They just do the design and marketing, two things, that's it. The actual manufacture is done somewhere in China and somewhere in India. I used to do an audit for Adidas company, Adidas shoe manufacturing unit, and the cost of shoe is shockingly only 20-25% of the price that they sell actually, because the rest is the brand value. Some are, yes, not actually is the markup, because the cost of marketing is super high. Like you think they are doing so many sponsorships, they sponsor they sign the brand endorsements from the different peoples. They are spending a hell lot of money for maintaining a brand level. So if you get a copy, that's why I prefer a copy of Adidas. I know because the fraction of the price but similar quality if it's come from the same factory. So there you have the brand value. So they are good at marketing and designing the products and services. Then you have training and development. Some companies are very good at training, just only do the training, nothing to do else, right? You also do the training, right? Yeah, so you can make it your key activity that you're gonna do the training. The rest of part just let it do by somebody else. You can make money by doing the training and development, designing the solutions. That's it. Project management. The rest is all executed out. So you're gonna reduce your cost of operations. You're gonna reduce your exposure to the market. If the market doesn't accept it, at least you don't have a cost. Correct? Okay, but before you choose what is the key activity, you need to create a couple of financial models. Is it better to focus on this activity or we can outsource it? What will be the benefit and what will be the risk? It's not that very straight away simple answer. Okay. Key partners. So we need to decide in our business who is going to be our key partner, right? Who are our key suppliers, and you need to keep them close all the time. Which resources we are acquiring from our partners, and which activities do our key partners can do perform. So whatever activity we are not performing by ourselves, it need to be done by somebody. Either it's done by your key supplier, the main supplier, or it's going to be done by your partner. Correct? So supplier is your agent basically, not partner is not your agent. So partner will share revenue with you, supplier will just take a price, no reward, no risk or no reward. Okay, then the last is cost structure. So cost is very simple. Once you have established everything, then you just see what is gonna cost you, what activity is gonna cost you, what is the website development, the people salary, training, development, all those things, right? What key resources are most expensive for us? So we wanna bring efficiencies, we wanna bring innovation to those events, those activities which are the most expensive ones for us, right? If let's say the training, the people, the brand development is expensive for us, most expensive, so we may want to do some kind of new innovations in there to do the same thing with a less impact, with a less cost, with a similar impact. So it's mostly, there's no, I don't have a right answer or any magic tool for that. It's depend on the situation, depend on the brand, depend on your product. You have to do a brainstorming with the other involved, correct? Okay.